Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I got this super cute Flexi rod set on stretched hair, then just keep watching this video. Okay, y'all, so I will be starting off with stretched hair, blow dried hair. I just uploaded a tutorial, so I will have that linked up above and down below, so you can check that out if you would like to, on how I got my hair, pretty straight while blow drying it. But I'm starting off with just splitting my hair down the middle. It doesn't have to be neat or anything. I'm just trying to detangle my hair, which you see here. And yeah, I'm just detangling, getting ready to start this process. For these flexi rods, I will be using these 3 flexi rods. It's 3 different sizes, but they're all pretty similar in, width or whatever. And I will be also using this olive oil ORS smooth and hold pudding, just so my hair can have some hold. So right now you just see me splitting my hair in half, top from bottom. On this back section, I'm going to part my hair diagonally just so I can avoid a harsh middle line. And once I get that separated, I'm going to pin up this half, and then my other side, I'm going to split that half in half, and then I'm going to have a small section left, and then I will split that section in half. And that section that I'm starting on right here is going to be my first flexi rod. So since I do want a stretched look, I'm not going to apply water directly on my hair, so I just spritz some in my hand and just rub that into my hair. And then I'm going to apply a generous amount of this smooth and hold pudding to my hair because it does have moisture in it. And I'm going to focus on my ends and apply extra product there. But I just detangled with my comb, and now I'm wrapping my hair around the flexi rod. This is not a good view, but I will be showing y'all better views in a bit. So this is the better view. I apply my product in water, before this, obviously. But as you see, I twisted my root first just so I can avoid, puffy roots. And then I just put my rod right at my root and wrap my hair around as I'm doing right here, what you see. And I applied a little extra product on my ends. And once I do that, I just fold it at the root and at the end so my hair can stay in place. And yeah, you're just going to see it right here again, just wrapping it around, and you will actually see me apply the extra product right here. Also, a tip, no matter, whether you're doing a stretch flexi rod set or just a flexi rod set on your wet natural hair, make sure you comb it out as you go down the flexi rod so you can avoid any lumps, because you do want it to be smooth. You don't want to waste your time and not have a smooth flexi rod set. But yeah, like I just mentioned, that's me adding the extra product just so my ends can stay in place the best they can. And now I'm folding the rod down at my root and folding it up at my ends, and I'm just going to show y'all me doing that a couple of times here and there. So yeah, right here, as you see, I'm applying the water, applying the products, and then I'm going to get into it. So right here, you see me combing it out with it's like a rat tail comb, so it's a nice fine comb. Then right here, I am twisting my root, putting the rod right against my root, and then I'm just going to wrap my hair around. So once I finish the back, I do want a middle part. So that's what you see me doing right here, perfecting that. And again, I don't want that harsh line down the middle of my head in the back. So I'm going to do a little diagonal type of part right here, just to avoid that, if that makes sense, I hope it does. And then I'm going to pin up this side and do the other side, which I've done off camera, as you can clearly see. But now I'm just going to give y'all another, close-up visual of how I do these rides, because I want this to be, as informative as it can be. So as you saw, I just applied my water. Again, I just spray the water on my hands and rub it in so my hair won't revert back. And then I apply the product generously and comb it through my hair with my rat tail comb, just to make sure my hair is smooth. And then right here, you see me twisting my root once again. And once I do that, I'm going to take the rod and literally put it up next to my root and start twisting my hair around the rod. And I'm going to take my comb and comb it out as I go down the rod, because I want my hair to be smooth, like I mentioned. And then once I get to the end, I'm going to add some extra product so my ends can stay in place. Then I'm going to pull the rod down at my root so it can stay in place there, and pull it up at my ends so that can stay in place. Hope that makes sense, because again, I do want this to be as informative as it can be. And as you can see, I'm doing pretty medium-ish sections. They're more so on the medium-large side. I don't have like high density hair. My hair is pretty thin. It's pretty medium-ish density. So I can do bigger sections like this. And it's actually preferred when I do my hair. It always looks the best when I do bigger sections. But yeah, as you can see right here, I am finishing up. And yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. After finishing my last rod, this is what it's looking like. I don't remember exactly how many rods I had, but it was a pretty medium amount. It wasn't too much, I don't think. But this clip right here is my hair the next morning. I'm showing y'all that some of my ends did get a little frizzy because a trim was needed, and y'all know how that go, but it was okay because my hair still came out good. But now I'm going to take that Garnier Fructis Slick and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum and put some on my hands so I can start taking down my flexi rods. I don't know why I made this face after I took it down, because it looked good. I didn't look too happy with it, but I promise y'all I was. And yeah, as I take it down, y'all going to see the awesome bomb definition that I got that had me shook. Like, oh my god, y'all, look at this definition. I only taken down like 6 rods and my hair already looks amazing. So I was very eager to see the final results. Like, it looks just so freaking good. Okay, y'all, so this is my hair after all the rods was taken out. As y'all can see, the definition was bomb.com. Literally looks so amazing with so much like bounce and movement. It just looks so freaking good, y'all. I love it. And we haven't even separated it yet, so boom. So I'm going to take some more of that anti-freeze serum and just apply it to my hands as needed as I continue on to separating. So as you saw, I just kind of untwisted my roots because y'all know that I twisted it to avoid puffy roots. So I kind of unwinded it and I just go down my hair starting from the root to the end to separate it and where it kind of naturally separates and kind of not where it naturally separates, kind of just depends. And then once I get to the end, I just twirl my finger around my end, or my ends around my finger, just to make sure the curl stays in place. And I just make sure that I rub some of that anti-frizz serum along my hair because it just adds a nice shine, and you know, it's anti-frizz serum. It takes away some of the frizz, and I've been using this for years, y'all, so I actually do like that for separating. But yeah, I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do the process. Gonna fly right on through it. Oh, and this is also like a reminder to let y'all know that this is sped up, you know, quite a bit, especially this clip right here. So I'm doing this slowly and very gently. Like it took me 30 or so minutes to separate my hair. So like it's not as fast as it seems. I definitely took my time, so I recommend that you take your time. Okay, so this is my hair immediately after separating. As y'all just saw, I just rubbed a little bit of serum that was left on my hands on top of my hair, you know, just to give it a nice shine again. But as you see, it looks really good, really defined. I'm kind of shaking out my roots to kind of loosen it up. And I'm going to go in with my comb, not really to give it much volume, but to get rid of them parts that you see from how I, you know, did it. That's why I took my time. Well, not took my time. That's why I specifically parted my hair the way I did, so I wouldn't get any harsh lines down the middle of my head, you know. Since I did that, I didn't have any really harsh parts. So what you see me doing right here is just little last minute touches. I just did my edges off camera, if you notice, but now I'm just, you know, fixing it up, doing them little last minute touches. But that is it for this look, pretty much, y'all. Like, that's pretty much it. So this is pretty much the final result of this look. I'm not going to do too much more of anything. You know, just shake it out a few more times. You know, little tiny last minute touches. But that's it. That's the final look. So if you all enjoyed this video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Share this video with a friend. And subscribe to my channel. We're getting really close to 300. And I want to hit it before the end of the year. So if you can help me, please do that. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.